Hello all my fabulous face painters. Thank you so much for tuning in to another face paint tutorial. My name is Bree Hopkins. I am going to be showing you guys how to do a cool kitty cat. Today I'm using Diamond FX line of paints. Those are the only paints I'm using for this design, and I'm starting off with a muzzle. They're using a teardrop shaped sponge. I'm going underneath the eye on the cheekbone. I want to make a bulge on the outside of the cheekbone and then a little dip as it goes down into the muzzle. Really pouncing that sponge to get an even distribution of the paint. It takes a lot of pouncing, not dragging. And those are two triangles that are going to be the interior of the ears. This is a red lilac color. It is pearlescent, it's metallic, it's fabulous, it's shimmery, it's amazing. I love it. And I'm putting it just over the eyes, filling in that space between ear and cheekbone area. This color is Essential Azure, and that one is pale green, a color I didn't know I was going to totally adore. So I'm using just a little bit of the Essential Azure on top of the ears and on the forehead, and a little bit of pale green on the outside of the eyebrows. There too, just for a little variation. This is an amazing little stencil. It reminds me of Eagle Wings. It's made by the Face Paint Forum shop, and I am using two little cascading marks there underneath the cheekbones, or on the cheekbones. What I love about this stencil is that it has these triangular sharp edges, and they are cascading beautifully, and I thought it would be interesting to mimic the texture of fur using the edges of them, and I was very happy with the results. I'm coming in here with the red lilac. It's very shimmery and beautiful. For the line work, I'm doing the nose, and I'm going to come down to split the muzzle, and those are going to be backwards S's, starting there on the muzzle and then curving just ever so slightly into the cheek. Next, I'm going to outline the ears, and this is going to be a cascading teardrop waterfall. I use that for fox designs and doggy designs, and here in a kitty cat design. Just outlining slightly the inside of the ears. And 3 teardrops. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 on each side. This is white, and I'm just going very lightly, and then just barely touching the skin, and then pressing down to get a little teardrop on the end of each one of those whiskers. This is still my number 2 Low Cornell round brush, and I'm loading it up with white. Having a little puddle of activated white is really important, and loading up those bristles completely so there are no bristles showing. It's completely saturated with color, and that will make perfect little round circles if the consistency is correct and your brush is fully loaded. A little cleanup there. If it's been bothering you, it was bothering me for sure. Please try out this design and show us what you do. Post it down in the comments below. We love to see your work. Gotta have a little bit of glitter. All of these and many more amazing products can be found at thefacepaintforumshop.com. And that is the end of this design. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.